Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's Megan Carla and welcome to the video. So for today's video guys, magbabayad po tayo sa ating bill is. So dahil nga nakalimutan ko yung password at username ng aking bill is, ngayon tingnan nyo guys ay ang 13 days overdue na sa aking babayarang bill is. And yeah, ngayon lang talaga ako nakapag-recover ng bill is. Nakailang ulit na akong email sa kanila, paulit-ulit na account recovery, and ngayon lang talaga siya nag-push through. So thank you so much bill is sa assistance. Ngayon naman guys is magbabayad po tayo ng ating bill is due. So ngayon meron akong dalawang account na kailangang bayaran. So, eto naman sa December 26 pa yung kanyang due date. But since meron naman tayong pera ngayon, so isasabay ko na. So, yan. Pay next installment. Hindi po tayo mag-full payment. So, pay next installment lang. So, yung overall total na babayaran natin is 1,252.45. So, ayan lang guys yung usual kong ginagawa. Just download the QR code. Ayan. So, automatically yung image masasave sa ating photo gallery. And then, punta tayo sa GCash. So, antayin lang natin. So, ayan guys, meron akong 2009. Ayan. And then, tap express send and scan and upload QR. And then, eto po. Ayan na yung aking payment. So, as you can see guys, wala siyang fee or something. Kung ano po yung nakalagay na total dun sa ating QR, yan talaga yung babayaran natin. So, sobrang laking tulong nito, bill is. Salamat QRPH. So, ngayon, tap pay. So, ayan na guys, automatically madideduct siya sa ating GCash account. And as you can see, na-receive na ni bill is yung ating payment. So, ayan, payment successful. Then, we will tap done. So, ayan, yung next payment po natin is due on December 26 ulit. And ito naman is due on January 10. So, yeah. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys did get something from me today. And see you guys on my next one. Bye! Peace. Merry Christmas!